In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see what you follow in Salesforce Lightning. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to streamline your workflow, knowing how to efficiently manage and keep track of what you follow on this platform is a game changer. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily find and manage the content and updates that matter most to you. First, you'll need to log into Salesforce. Make sure you use your credentials to access your personal dashboard. This is the central hub of your Salesforce activity, where all your tools and options are conveniently located. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the App Launcher icon on the left-hand side of the screen. It usually appears as a grid of 9 dots, similar to a waffle. This tool is your gateway to all the apps available within Salesforce. Click on this icon to proceed. After you've clicked on the app launcher, it's time to find your way to Salesforce Chatter. Simply type Salesforce Chatter into the search bar. As you begin typing, suggestions will pop up and you should see Salesforce Chatter appear. Click on it to continue. Chatter is an incredibly useful tool for collaboration, allowing you to stay updated on discussions, files, and activities across your network. Now that you're in Chatter, you're getting closer to discovering what you follow. On the left side of the Chatter interface, you'll find a navigation panel. Scroll through this panel until you find the option labeled What I Follow. Click on this option. Here, you'll have a comprehensive view of all the posts and discussions you follow, creating a customized timeline tailored to your interests. As you explore your Chatter timeline, you'll notice it's filled with updates from followed records, groups, and people. This area can become crowded with information, so use the search box located at the top of your timeline to sift through your feed. This search feature is handy when you're looking for specific updates or discussions within your followed content. Finally, to further refine what you're viewing, take advantage of the filtering options. You'll find a filter icon near the top of your screen. Clicking this icon allows you to apply specific criteria to narrow down the content displayed. Whether you want to filter by date, type of post, or other categories, these options will help you manage your feed, keeping it relevant and focused on your needs. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently navigate and manage the content you follow in Salesforce Lightning. This skill not only enhances your productivity, but also ensures that you stay connected with the most important updates and discussions related to your professional interests.